Austin and Travis County leaders today issued a warning about wildfire dangers facing the community ahead of the summer and how agencies are preparing to face a heightened fire risk. Although there is the potential for rain in the forecast this week, city and county leaders say you can never be too prepared as Central Texas experiences drier conditions, raising the risk of fires sparking in the area. Leaders say you should create a defensible space around your home by clearing brush as well as debris.
We've seen wildfires threaten homes, neighborhoods, and entire communities, and sometimes with very little warning. That's why we're asking everybody to take wildfire safety seriously and to take some simple steps to get prepared.
The city and county are hosting a wildfire preparedness and mitigation town hall. That'll be next Thursday evening at 7 p.m. at St. Thomas More Catholic Church. So if you can't be there in person, Travis County will have a live stream up on its website.